everyone, this is Lisa here, and I'm here with a swap that I did with the Facebook group, Pocket Letters and More, US only. And this pocket letter here comes from Deborah Bowie. And she had this ribbon wrapped around it. She's included a card. And we did the Birds, Birds, Birds pocket letter swap. And this is her pocket letter. And this is so pretty. Thank you, Deborah, for swapping with me. I really appreciate it. I love these images. This one says Bird Beauty. This has just got some music on it. These are very pretty. There's another one with a bird. This has got a bird and some music. This has roses. This has a nest with some eggs. And this says Birdie Darling. And there's a bird up here. Some more roses. Very, very pretty. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. And then for her goodies, she's included these little tags. And these are some stickers that she's included in here. And over here, in this pocket, is some ephemeras. This is Made with Love. And there's some different ephemeras in here. This is really pretty. And this one here, there's a bow. And number 2, a guitar, and that's a butterfly. And this is just a little baggie with some goodies. There's some buttons, a little flower, some leaves. Very pretty. And this is a rosette that she's made. She's put a little flower in the middle and a enamel dots. Here's another little baggie with some flowers, embellishments, and a donut. Very cute. And this one here has some washi tape in it. Some different washies. And this one has some bling and some sequins. It has some blue sequins and then some bling. And then this last one has some baubles in it, some butterflies, and some gold bling. And again, thank you for swapping with me. I really appreciate it. I love this pocket letter. It's very pretty. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.